Tanjong Pagar MPs. Residents plant trees to mark Lee Kuan Yew's second death anniversary by Angela Lim. Singapore. As part of an annual observance for founding Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew, MPs for Tanjong Pagar GRC held a tree planting event on Thursday, March 23, to mark Mr. Lee's second death anniversary. The event, which was organized by the Tanjong Pagar Shenbaru grassroots organizations, GROS, involved the planting of 10 species of plants at the Shenbaru Community Club and the Duxton Plain Park. It was attended by grassroots advisors to Tanjong Pagar GRC GROS and Radin Mas SMC, Miss Indrani Raja, Mr. Sam Tan, Dr. Chia Shilu and Mr. Melvin Yong, along with some 100 residents, students and grassroots volunteers. At Shenbaru Community Club, residents planted the bread flower, which can be found on the Astana grounds, and was a favorite of Mr. Lee's wife, Madam Kwajiok Chu. The flower has an intense sweet fragrance, and its flowers grow directly out of the woody stem. Some of the other species planted at Duxton Plain Park were also designed to attract butterflies and create a butterfly garden. National competition for youth. Miss Indrani also announced on Thursday that the constituency will organize a national competition between September and November this year for younger people, as a tribute to founding Prime Minister Lee. We want to have a national competition where you, young people, source ideas for the future of Singapore, ideas on technical innovation, on social innovation, thinking of Singapore's place in the world internationally, she said. More details on the competition will be announced in the coming months. Knaslasham.